Hello everyone. In this section, I want to look at how to collaborate with others. Sometimes you may want to collaborate with your colleague in the office, or you have this project or a template or a document and you want to leave others to have a comment on it. So it's very easy to do that in Excel. So with Excel, you can actually allow other people to comment or have a contribution to whatsoever plan you have as you collaborate. And one of the ways to do that is to add comment section to projects or to documents. So to do that, now go to your review tab, select the cell or the row you want to have comments and click on new comments. So when you click on new comments, it's going to display the name of whoever is making such comments, and from there you can see that. So let's say, so I want to type so I'll click. Once I'm done, click outside the box, so you can have and there's an option here, show or hide comment. So you can hide the comment. So by hovering your mouse over each cell, you can actually see comments. So I'm going to select and open up the comment. So I'm selecting this, show the comment, select this and also show the comment. So you can actually see that there are comments here. So you can hide it. So whenever you are done with the plan or the whatsoever you have created, and everybody has finalized and consented, okay, you can now go ahead, then you can come back here and delete. So you can delete the comments. So, and you are good to go. So this allow your colleagues or your friends or co-worker to collaborate with others. So it makes it easy to keep track of revisions and communicate ideas back and forth. So there are a couple of things you may want to do before you send out your documents. For example, you may want to run a spell check. You may want to protect your documents at the same time, or you may want to finalize and keep other people from making adjustment or correction anymore. So just to finalize it and close it so that other people cannot edit it again. So for example, you may want to run a spell check. So in the review tab, so just click on spelling. So when you click on spelling, it will ask that do you want to continue checking the beginning of the sheet? Yes. So you can see that a few options comes up. So you just have to choose the correct one. Sometimes Excel may not properly spell some names, maybe like name of people, name of company, organization, and maybe an area. So because it's not totally accurate, you can, if you are sure of what you are doing, you can just add to dictionary. But if it's a general word like English word and it's suggesting the correct one, so you just have to choose the one that suggested to you. So when you are satisfied, you just click change. say spell check complete. You are good to go. So that means you have everything set. So the second part is to finalize the document. So in order to finalize, you find this at the back stage view. Click on file, then come to information. Click on information. So we have few options here. From here you can upload to the cloud, maybe OneDrive. From here you can share, copy the path. Maybe you want to post the link on Google Sheet. So, and you can also open a file location on your computer. So what we want to do is to inspect the workbook. So this is the feature that is used to finalize your document. So maybe sometimes you forget to delete a certain comment, or maybe some things are not okay. So you can just click on inspect documents. Say before you use document inspector, make sure you save your work changes, because the document inspector may remove data. So sometimes it's advisable to save extra copy of your document before you go ahead. So when you click on document inspector, click on inspect. So when you click on inspect, so you will see some errors. If there's anyone, you are going to see some errors. Look at this one, document properties and personal information, and maybe probably you don't want people to see that. So you can just click and remove. This is another one, hidden names. Hidden names were found. You can't remove this for you. After you remove them, inspect the file again. So you can leave that. If you are not too sure, you can reinspect. Click more information to see what it's talking about. So that will link you to the internet. So I think that is not necessary for now. Close it. So the final part now is to make your document secure. Still on going to file, then info, to view the backstage view. To view the backstage view, look at this option here, protect workbook. Click on it. You will see a couple of options there. So what is mostly advised is that, or make use of this first option, always open read only. So in order to put this document in an editing mode, whether you are sending it through the internet whether you are sending it through the internet or sharing with others, when you open it on the other end, it's going to be in editing mode. So it's only send a signal to the recipient that this thing has been finalized. So, but if you still want to go ahead and make changes, you can. So you not have to click. So prevent accidental changes by asking readers to opt in into editing. So the person making change has to open editing. Also, there are other options there. Also, you can encrypt it with password, but that may not be necessary. So for the sake of this discussion, I am going to click always open read only. So therefore, the document is hereby protected. So this is the end of this particular section. So see you in the next one.